had a headlamp. Actually, I might have took it upstairs.
That'd be good to have for the boat.
Yeah, I had it just in my... It's not gonna work on that one. I don't know what's on the other side of these things, but there's no way I can like reach a screwdriver back there. So I'm hoping it's just like it's stuck in whatever it is. This music sucks.
I like it. It's Lionel Richie.
It's somebody like that, you know, Barry White maybe.
Barry Manilow. Barry. Exhaust blower removed. Opening compartment to see where the wire goes.
What does this do? Maybe something more accessible in here. Oh, no.
Just a plastic piece that's coming through.
Yeah, it just goes into that. Rather than open this up. I mean, that's the drive for the fan.
Right.
So if we...
You just cut it.
I might mess that up.
Do you want to cut it so you have...
Yeah, I'm just going to cut it here so I have some wire to work with. Oh, wire cutters.
Measure once, cut twice.
It's measure twice, cut once, isn't it?
No. Don't believe it.
It's not how I do. It's not how I play.
Old school. That looks good. Yeah.
Alright. Officially screwed up the engine.
Yep. Can't go anywhere now.
These three sizes.
Yeah.
Red looks the smallest, so let's try red. So I gotta make the crimp right at the edge.
Who's the guy that got married to Julia Roberts?
Busy.
Yeah.
Who cares?
The guy from the movie.
John Mayer?
No, the guy that sings the I
John
Love
Mayer.
My Wife.
What? Stevie Wonder?
The guy that sings I Love My Wife?
Richard Gere.
What the hell are you talking about?
Google it.
Not Gordon Lightfoot. Amy might know.
Ask Amy.
The guy that got married to Julia Roberts for a while. I love it.
We were not even close. Apply heat directly to tubing on each end until tubing recovers. Use a heat device of at least 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, but don't overheat. Don't isolate the flame and distribute heat evenly over tubing. So yeah, they do heat shrink. This is not a wet location though. So
I don't know if that helps with the connection or what.
It'll be better insulation, but
Use metral tape.
these aren't heat shrunken either.
Oh.
And the Pro just put this on for me. This is that voltage regulator that failed. So the electricity from the alternator was not heating the batteries because it goes through here, and this was not working.
Okay.
All right. So we could start the engine again, kind of see what kind of... You can turn that off.
You can turn it off. Turn it off. Thank you.
Do you need it to wrap?
No, it's good.
We're done with you. Thank you.
We're done with you.
We're done with you.
We're done with you.
We're done with you.